Hi everyone, a little update. This is going to be part 2 of the ramp here. I was trying to find the name of the bone my mother break. It's the pelvis, guys, she broke. So and this is the ramp. It's not finished yet. I need to go from there up to down to here, another 12 feet, and it's quite big, guys. I'm jumping some step here, and yeah, it's quite a big job. It's hot, still hot to work on here, guys, and it's quite big. Was fast in a way because I have a nail gun, so everything was nailed with a gun. So this is part 2, guys. I love those little adjuster there, guys, on each. That worked really nice. But this is it, guys. So if you like it, put a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, put your comments down below, and thanks again for watching, and till next time.